Yes, people, and welcome to a new video. And in today's video, we're gonna look how to edit the text in your story post. So if you have a picture, and maybe if you see my other videos, you know this picture of bedding people in Freiburg. You click on the empty space, because if you click on the picture itself, it doesn't work. But you can later drag the text over the picture if you want. So you click in an empty space and there it is already over the picture, and you can make a text. And at the bottom you see some different text styles. So I choose this text style for now, it doesn't matter. And we type just, I was in Freiburg. Oh, Freiburg. It was fun. So I click done, and now you know you don't see it so well because the picture is a little bit, the white text in the picture, you don't see it so good. So I click the text again, and at the above you can choose the A with 2 stars, and you can also make it animated. So this is what I see. And every text has a little bit a different animation. So this has a black background, and this has a typing animation, so it's very nice. You can also change the size of the text. You can make it a little bit straight or across the picture, so it's nice. So for now, you can also, you can also here mention someone. So if you need to mention a friend, where you, if you was on holiday with a friend, you can mention him, and you can check your location. So now it's Freiburg in Breslau. And you can also change that location in size. So it's nice. So you can make text, and you can also add your location or add some friends. If you think this was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. And see you next video. Thank you.